It's your boy J-Texium, and I'm just doing this reaction video to keep the dice rolling. We're reacting to people trying Jamaican food for the first time. Let's get it. Like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see me do more reaction videos. Let's go.
One of my favorite patties in the world.
This is the only Jamaican food I have actually had, but I had the version from the Dollar Tree.
Jamaica's national snack is patty. Now make nobody tell you nothing else. Tell them say a J-Texium sister.
I wouldn't say that's real Jamaican.
Yeah, probably not, but it was good though.
Let me just say one thing. I have been to Jamaica. I've been to the motherland, and gosh dang it, I loved it. And let's try this one out.
It's like an empanada.
Essentially, it's, yes.
Yeah, that's definitely better than the Dollar Tree one.
It's so flaky. The seasoning of the ground beef. I wish I knew the seasonings.
It has some spice to it.
They love their spices, bro. And so do...
Of course we love with spices, but the thing with me I say is, listen me no, brethrens. Listen me no. Gonna make me want party right now. No, Joe. You ever just, no want this, so till you see it. Let's get back into the video.
Why?
I feel like this is like one of those things that would taste good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
I'll tell you, I could eat this every second.
If this is how we're starting off this video, I feel really confident that I'm gonna love Jamaican food, but we'll see.
I've been waiting for this video my entire life, dude.
All right, Ramon, what would you rank a beef patty?
You call it a beef patty, I call it the S patty, or S tier.
Yeah, I agree. This is definitely an S tier.
A beef patty a day keeps the sadness away.
Ackee and saltfish with a side of dumpling. And also, Ramon, this ackee and saltfish is the national dish of Jamaica.
Here is ackee and saltfish. Ackee and saltfish. You can't make no novice prepare ackee and saltfish give you. You got to make one of those old Jamaican grandmas that's been in the kitchen for years, for decades. Cook that shit give you. And once you taste it, telling you right now, I want some ackee and saltfish. As a matter of fact, I want a patty with ackee and saltfish in it. Oh, my son, Jamaica. Oh, my son. Oh, my son. Run it back. I want to hear you say it again.
Beef patty a day keeps the sadness away.
Ackee and saltfish with a side of dumpling. And also, Ramon, this ackee and saltfish is the national dish of Jamaica.
I did not know that.
So this has to be good.
I have a question though.
What?
What's ackee?
Apparently, ackee is a type of fruit. I've never heard of it, but maybe it's like native to Jamaica, I'm assuming.
It looks like scrambled eggs.
I don't think it's the most aesthetically pleasing dish, but looks are very deceiving.
To me, it doesn't look that bad. But let's try it. I got a nice little piece of fish right here.
I do love fish. If this tastes like fish, I'm gonna love it.
If fish don't taste like fish, then I don't know.
A very strong smell.
What is that? It smells like a seasoning to me.
Yeah, some type of seasoning with like with fish.
It smells like very fresh though, so let's go. The national dish of Jamaica. Let's go. The national dish of Jamaica. Let's go. That's an explosion of flavor, dude.
They do not chill on their seasoning.
Every bite, just like more and more flavor.
I feel like whoever made this, they just got like a handful of seasoning. They're like, ow! We have this dumpling, which I'm assuming we're...
I know handful of seasoning, brother. Me not share a secret, but you just know the love going on. Alright, let's go.
To eat together probably. So the dumpling by itself is pretty bland, but that kind of makes sense because the ackee, it has a lot of flavor and a lot of seasoning. So if you eat it together, they probably balance each other out pretty well.
Let's see. Yeah, it by itself, it's literally just bland little dumpling.
It's better when you eat it together for sure. It balances each other out well.
For sure, I agree. I see why this is the national dish. I thought it was jerk chicken. That's all I know. But wow, this is good. I like this a lot. Jamaica, you're making me crazy. Like,
okay, Ramon, what would you rank ackee and saltfish and the dumpling?
Overall, solid B.
The seasoning is a little strong for my palate, so I'd probably give it like a C tier.
You're giving the national dish of Jamaica a C?
It's just my personal opinion.
That's him, not me.
Curry goat and rice and peas.
This smells delicious.
I do want to know, why is it called rice and peas, but then that's a bean, right?
I'm a bean myself, and this is a bean.
Are beans peas?
Are beans peas, Angel?
I believe they're called peas in Jamaica.
Oh, they call them peas. This is essentially a Mexican dish right here, bro. You got the rice, you got the beans, you got the meat.
What do Mexicans use with goat? Birria. Curried goat is just Jamaican birria. Fall off the bone.
That's very tender. That's really good seasoning.
Everything is just super seasoned deliciously.
It has a kick of spice in it as well.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
I'm good with spice. It's not like too much spice
No,
where
no,
like
no.
it's overbearing, right?
There's not too much spice at all. It's just like a little kick of spice that you taste it.
Yes.
But not too much spice where like, you know, you're like in pain.
I think that's what I like about this. Because I love spicy stuff for sure, but I appreciate how they use spices for the flavor. You know, because like just because it's spicy doesn't mean it has to be like just too spicy and like you can't enjoy the flavor. But here I feel...
Bro, that's a real curry goat. You see, night curry goat.
Shut the fuck up, bro. That's all I'm saying. Look, just for once.
Yeah. Me know me I say too much. Alright, me chat too much. Alright.
the spice helps with the flavor, you know? Which goat is this?
It's Steph Curry the GOAT. It's called Curry GOAT for a reason.
Steph Curry, you taste good, dude.
Oh, nigga, you gay.
Bad. If you give this to a Mexican guy, he'll think it's Mexican food, right? Jamaicans and Mexicans might be the same people, dude.
Yo, we're on the same wavelength for sure.
Like, this feels like home. I'm not Jamaican, but this feels like home, you know? This is all you need. It brings a warmness to your heart. No, this is... I give it an S. I think it's great.
Jerk chicken, festival, and fried plantain.
Yo,
I'll tell you right now.
Mash up some of this right now. Just look at it. Look at it. Wait. No, sir. That no look like chicken. That look like jerk frog. No, take a good look on that. That no look like jerk frog too.
No!
Everything here is a 10 out of 10.
Really?
I haven't even tried it yet. Another explosion of flavor. Festival bread. I don't know how they make it, but this thing is so good too.
According to Google, festival bread is a mixture of cornbread and hush puppies.
That sounds amazing to me.
I love cornbread. I like hush puppies,
So I'll love this.
in theory. I feel like we got to start with the jerk chicken, dude.
You have to. Bro,
That's really good. That's like a lot of seasoning right there.
this is so good.
Yo, Jamaican food spicy, bro. I'm like getting...
Yo, jerk chicken half is spicy bad man. But watch you know. You know, so the food touch them so long while ago. Brother, they nearly levitate out of them seat, you know. On no seat. Sorry. I'm not interrupt no more.
my ass kicked over here, I swear to God.
I'm just enjoying myself, having a good old time.
No, this is really spicy, actually.
This is so good, bro. Full of spices, full of herbs, seasonings. I'm spiced out too, low key.
It's genuinely very spicy. This one's a lot spicier than the other dishes.
No, for real. And I believe, like, traditionally, I could be wrong, but like it's like smoked, you know, like barbecued style. You know,
Yeah,
that's why you get like that color. ASMR. Oh, muy bien.
That sounded good.
I am in heaven right now. I forgot we were filming for a second. I gotta control myself.
I don't know why they call it jerk chicken, because this chicken's nice.
You say that again.
I don't know why they call it jerk chicken, because this chicken is nice.
Amen.
All right, let's go for the festival now. I feel like I taste banana in it.
It's on the sweeter side for sure. I don't taste banana, but it's sweet.
I don't think it tastes like cornbread, though.
You know what this tastes like to me? Like a mixture of funnel cake with like the corn dog breading.
That's oddly specific.
I have a very accurate taste buds.
I don't see it, but it is good. I do feel like this festival bread, it kind of cools me down a bit. So it's a good combination because like you eat the jerk chicken, it spices you out, and then you grab the bread and it cools you down.
Big ol' nice plantain. Come on now.
Yo, that's bomb, bro.
Come on now.
That's bomb.
If every banana tasted like this, kids would eat bananas.
Well, kids already eat a lot of bananas, dude. Okay, that's probably my favorite thing on this plate, honestly. Does this count as a dessert or is this like a actual dish?
Yes. Like, wow, this is... What more do you want?
I'm upset I spent my whole life not trying Jamaican food.
I give the jerk chicken S tier. S. S.
Oxtail, rice, and peas.
Jerk chicken's here. Oxtail's like right here, dude.
It's above it?
Depends who's making it, but I'm just saying this smells delicious.
You're setting the bar right now.
You saw me with the jerk chicken.
The jerk chicken
and
is
I'm
good.
talking like personally.
Okay.
I'm not talking about like, you know, globally. I don't know what people think of oxtail, but when I tried it, let's just try it. I'm talking to who much? Let's just try it. Oh my god.
Oh, that's really good, bro. It has like a little sweetness to it. Not spicy at all, which I personally like because I'm not a huge spice fan. Meat's super tender. Seasoning is perfect.
Insane.
That's freaking good, bro.
I don't know what it is about the meat, but like it rearranges my brain to just love.
That definitely makes you feel some type of way.
This is what I call perfect.
I gotta say, I actually think, I don't want to get Jamaicans mad, but I think this should be your national dish.
I'm not mad at that.
Yeah, this is really good. Like, this is...
Oxtail.
I no lie, do you people talk about oxtail whenever me see them a talk about it on social media, obviously. Then if make it the national dish, that's all I can say, me agree. Make oxtail our national dish. If you don't agree, leave it in the comments.
Is the way. I would say I love jerk chicken, but give me some oxtail. I probably start crying right now, dude. Bro, Jamaicans, you did your thing. I can't compare it to anything. This is it. Angel, you gotta try it. Have you had oxtail?
Yeah.
Where? And with who? Why not with us?
I mean, no.
Okay, here, try it. Get the small piece, though. Like, I'm still trying to finish it.
And also, Angel doesn't think that we could get 100,000 subscribers by the end of summer, so make sure you click the subscribe button so we can prove him wrong. How is it, Angel?
Dude, I'm sleeping on Jamaican food.
This should definitely be talked about more.
I might be talking crazy right now, but if I had to choose a last meal right now,
Oxtail, that's a bold statement.
that's how freaking good it is. This is the king of S's. This is the only tail I'm chasing, bruh.
Next up, we have sorrel.
Sorrel. It looks like agua de Jamaica.
The only tail when me chase are the oxtail. That's all I have.
It is a hibiscus drink. According to Google, they use this to mix with alcohol as well.
Is this one?
No, this one does not have alcohol, unfortunately. I'm sorry.
Bruh. Agua de Jamaica literally translates to water from Jamaica. So, Jamaica water, here we go.
Oh,
The new KFC Pizza Zinger.
Move.
Jamaica water, here we go.
oh, that's refreshing. That's very refreshing.
This has ginger. That's the difference. Whoa.
That's like not too sweet at all.
I think the ginger cuts the sweetness a little bit.
It's like a hint of ginger though. Like the ginger's not very overpowering at all.
Wow, dude. Mexicans and Jamaicans is just like this. Mom, if you're watching this video, make your Jamaica with ginger. Make it like this.
This on a hot summer day, guaranteed to smack.
Now, Jamaicans, y'all be cooking, man. It's a S. I would like.
S tier.
I would drink this every day. World, drink sorrel.
Sorrel. Jamaican black cake. It looks like a chocolate cake, right? But apparently it is not chocolate cake. It's made out of dried fruit soaked in wine and dark rum.
Oh, so we getting lit.
Yeah, that sounds like a party, right?
Yes. Whoa. This smells good.
It is very deceiving though. Like if you pulled up with this, I'm like, oh, you brought a chocolate cake, dude. Like 100%, right?
Yeah, I would have bet all my life savings on this. It does smell fruity. I will say it smells like raisins and stuff.
Whoa.
This is messing with my mind because like my mind says chocolate, but it's so fruity.
That's super fruity. That's really good, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, how do you come up with this?
Yo, they popped off with this dessert.
How do you come up with this, man?
Oh, I can mess up a whole cake of this.
This is scary. In my brain, I'm like, oh, it's fruit. I could have the whole thing, but I shouldn't.
So Jamaica not only has good food, they have good dessert apparently.
This is wow. I'm mad I didn't know about this. Put some jerk sauce on this.
And where the blood clot this?
Hey,
I don't know about that.
no,
I think you're getting a little
no,
carried away
no,
with that.
no.
On a count of three, let's rank it together. 1, 2, 3.
A.
S tier. Oh, A. I was gonna say S tier.
S tier? Okay.
Yeah. Why do you think it's an A tier?
I could see it being an S, but to me, I guess compared to the other flavors, those are just higher level. I guess I'd rather eat those than this. I guess.
But you gotta rank it by itself.
Okay. It's a S. You give me this cake for my birthday, I'm eating the whole thing and I'm not sharing.
Jamaicans, you Jamaican
better
great
share.
food.
The food tastes better when you share. Like, and share. Subscribe. If you want to see me do more of them video here, you know what to do. Tap it. Tell me about you don't know if you do. You know. You're used to YouTube by now. Bye.